Hi everybody, welcome to this week's video, and in this week we're going to be looking at one of the projects that comes with a Sparkfun Inventors Kit, version 4.1, and I've built a motion alarm because my sister and I had an argument this morning about which books were hers on my bookshelves, and that she would come and take and read some of my books on my bookshelves. And so as an engineer, the only natural thing is to stop it. And so here it is, guys. This is our setup for now. And so these are the books. These science books are the ones you would like to read. And so I have it set up where this is an ultrasonic sensor, and if something gets close enough, the RGB light turns red, and the buzzer makes a buzzing sound. And so the cool thing about this program is it even has an in-between, which is yellow. Green means there's nothing there within 20 inches. Within 10 inches is going to be yellow, and then if you go any closer, you get red and the beeping. Here's going to be an in-depth overview of our little alarm here. And so we have our Sparkfun red board, which is an Arduino. We have our RGB light. That's pretty bright. Okay, yeah. The RGB light and the signal pins, the capacitors that are right there, and then the buzzer, which all leads to the digital pins or the signal pins inside of the red board. And this is our ultrasonic sensor that we'll be having. That is the main brains of the operation that calculates distance between them. And now let's look at the code. I hope you guys all like this video, and make sure to like and subscribe. It would really help. It would really mean a lot to me, and it really help the channel. And if you guys want more Arduino-based Sparkfun projects, more are on the way. Definitely hit that notification bell and like and subscribe for that. See you guys in the next video.